Hi guys, it's another day that we want to work on something. We want to talk about a certain tool called the label. Today we're going to talk about the label. Now, where do you find the label? The label is found in the toolbox. And first of all, we need to know that a label is used to display fixed text on a form. Now, how do you start working with your label? First of all, we come to the toolbox. Then this symbol here, A, is the symbol for the label, so you just click on it, turns to a plus, then you drag according to the size that you want. Now you can see that it is named label 1, but you can do away with that, so you can delete this by the backspace like that. So we have our label here. So what can you do to this label? There's so many that you can do to this label. You can change the back color of this label, back color, manually from here, from the properties window. So let me drag this here. You can come here and change the back color. You can change the appearance. For example, you can say flat, like that. You see, now it has changed to flat. You can also change the back color. You can just click here, then you can change it to maybe gray, active title, like that. So that's our back color. You can actually change the border style of this label. You can come here and change the border style, fixed like that. Again, you can also change or put whatever it is that you want to be in this label through the caption. So you can write maybe Kisiwa Technical, like that. So you can write anything, Institute. So you can write anything on your label like that. Now there are so many things that you can do to your label. You can change the font. For example, you can change the font by coming to the font here, then selecting these three dots. Then you can come to bold. You can change it to 15. You can change the font style. This one, the font size. You can also change the font here, serif. You can underline and all that. Then you press OK. So it changes like this. So that is basically what you can do to a label. And again, you can decide to change your label using a command. For example, let me have this, or you can manipulate your label using a command. There you go. I have my label here, this label 1. Let me remove this code caption. So you can change it using a command or by coding. Now this is my label. By coming to the view code window, you can click there. Now you select the object. For example, I have a form, I have a label, so I would want to click on the form. So in the event that this form loads, what can it do? For example, I can put some text in that label. How do we do that? Just write label 1. You mention the name of the label 1 dot caption is equals to Kisiwa Technical Institute, like that. So that when you run and then the form, when you run this form and then it loads, label, the label is going to have the name Kisiwa Technical Institute. Let us try it. So when you run it here, so this is Kisiwa Technical. So it is in that label there. Now what else can you do to that label using the using code? You can again change the fore color, the color of the text. Label 1 dot fore color is equals to QB color, in bracket maybe 10, like that. So label 1 dot fore color is equals to QB color. Then when you try to run it, so it is now green. Again, you can change the background of the label. How to do that? Label 1 dot dot back color is equals to QB color in bracket maybe 9, like that. Then you run. So you see the background is now blue. What else can you do? You can do what again? You can change the size, the font size. Label 1 dot font size is equals to maybe 9 or 10, like that. So when you run this, yeah, it's okay. So let us try to make it maybe 15, like that. So it is changing. So you can see the effect. So you can do that, and of course there are so many other things that you can do to your label. You can change so many things to your label. You can change the border style, you can change the background and all that. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Bye.